Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back. Calculus problems like this one look intimidating, but you can solve them in seconds by relating the function g to its derivative f using simple logic. By the fundamental theorem of calculus, the derivative of g of x is simply f of x. This means the behavior of g depends entirely on the values of f. A relative maximum occurs where g prime changes from positive to negative. Looking at the graph, f of x crosses the x-axis from positive to negative at x equals 1. Since g prime is negative for x greater than 1, g is decreasing there. Thus, only the statement about the relative maximum at x equals 1 is clearly true. Got it! Scan the code, you can learn better with Sovi. Don't mix up g and f, always use the FTC and check the sign.